Hi, I'll show you how to build best automatic portable shower for camping, a necessary car camping essential for van life, outdoor adventures or simply washing gear or yourself anywhere. This DIY shower takes about 1 hour to make and costs around 100 euros, depending on component you choose. While many DIY portable shower tutorials rely on parts from US Amazon, this one is designed for worldwide use, especially in Europe. All parts can be ordered via AliExpress or picked up from your local hardware store. No expensive shipping or compatibility issues. One of the biggest advantages, it runs on its own battery, so you don't need to plug it into a car socket. And the camping shower is truly portable. The detachable hose and integrated water tap also turn the container into a regular water canister. Great for washing hands or dishes. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to build this setup. You'll find the full list and product links in the video description or in the article on my website hobohex.com. At the core of this DIY portable showers are a 20-liter water canister from Nature Hike, valve water pump, a battery with switch, hoses and connectors. Let's take a look at how to put it all together. Start by prepping the water canister. Drill 2 holes, one for the pump and one for the power cable, near the main opening. Attach the inner hose to the pump using a hose clamp. Measure the length so that the pump sits freely inside at the bottom of the canister. Install the quick connector part with valve and screw thread into the canister wall. Make sure to use washers and seal on both sides and tighten the nut carefully so you don't strip the plastic thread. Slide a hose clamp over the inner hose and connect it to the valve inside the canister. Now route the pump's power cable through the small drill hole and cable gland. Leave it slightly loose in case you need to adjust it later. Shorten the cable so it ends where the battery will be and connect the 12-volt power connector to the end. Mount the battery using adhesive Velcro so it can be easily removed for recharging. Stick the Velcro to both the battery and the canister. Finally, connect the shower head to the outer hose, then connect that hose to the outer part of the quick connector. If your hose is too tight, you can heat it the end a bit or also use a heated metal tool, like a rivet setter, to gently expand the hose end. Once everything is connected, tighten the cable gland and you're done. Turn it on, and as you can see, the shower works great. The water flow is strong enough for typical camping and outdoor use. Here are few tips to optimize your setup. Want a stronger stream? Use a narrower inner hose or upgrade to a 1500 liters per hour pump. You can stretch a tight hose using a hot metal cone for a better fit. Put the canister on the sun to warm up the water or add it manually for more comfortable shower. The removable battery allows you to charge it at home or in your car. Super convenient. And that's it. In less than an hour and for under 100 euros, you've built your own automatic portable shower. Necessarily car camping essential, perfect for camping, van life, road trips or outdoor use. Check the video description for more information and product links or go directly to hobohex.com. If you enjoyed this project, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY builds, outdoor hacks, tips, trips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the temple of the nature.